This is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Android phone and fix many issues with it. So what we want to do is go to the side and hold down the power button. So let's hold down the power button right now and then go to where it says power off. So let's select power off right here, tap it. Now my phone is going to turn off. Then when it's completely black like this and it's not restarting or anything like that, we want to go to the power button and then the volume up button. So let's hold both those down. So I'm doing it right now. And you're going to see the name of your phone pop up. Continue to hold this down until the name of your phone goes away. So you can see I have an Honor phone, and I actually like this phone. It's good for my eyes. Then once it goes away, I'm going to let go. If you hold it down too long, it's just going to restart your phone. So you can see it went away. Now I let go, and now you can see the OS version. Mine is the Magic OS. I have Android 14 with my Honor 90 phone. And if we get a close up here, you can see I have options like clear data, update mode, safe mode. Now to choose this, just go to the volume down button and then press the power button to select. So we want to go to where it says clear data to factory reset it in a hard reset our phone. And then just continue through that process, and after about 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to have to sign back in with your email address and password with your Google account. Now, if you want to save all your pictures before you hard reset it, just connect your phone to your computer and then go into the DCIM folder, and hopefully you can just recover all your photos before you factory reset it under here. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.